with you, Lion for Jane. Today we're making chocolate covered pretzels. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Take some chocolate. Yeah. Okay, and take a microwavable bowl. So there's a glass there already. And pour some chocolate into the bowl. A little bit more. Maybe not that much. Okay, now let's clean up the mess. Okay, so just leave it. Now you microwave it for 45 seconds. We'll be right back. So now that the chocolate is finally melted, time to dip the pretzels. That won't work. This one will though. Time to decorate. That's good. Sorry guys, I forgot to film me decorating a few. So I kind of made a disaster decorating some. Oops. Well, at least I still have a bit left. So you take whatever sprinkles or whatever you want to decorate them by just placing them on the chocolate. So stick them right there. And now let's go put some. Now let's take some of these eggs. Eggs. Let's put one in here, and one in here. Be quiet, Smokey! Sorry, that's my dog. That's the beast. I think I'm done. So we'll be right back after we clean up all this. Put this in the fridge to let them cool for about 10 minutes or longer, probably. We're going to clean up this mess. We'll be right back. Here is my final result. These are super easy to make, very messy, and easy and fast. So these are perfect for parties, sleepovers, movie nights, lunches, after school snacks, pretty much anything you want. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye! Yum, what do you want to eat first? Mmm.